Imagine waking up one day and half of your Shopify API calls just stop working. No warnings, no quick fixes, and your manpower is already involved in another project. Just chaos. Sounds like a nightmare, right? Well, that's exactly what businesses could face if they're not ready for Shopify's introduction to GraphQL. Hey everyone, welcome back to the fourth episode of the podcast series, diving into a game changing advancement in e commerce, Shopify's introduction to GraphQL. I am your host Namrata. With me is my awesome guest Souptik. Welcome Souptik, and let's get into it.
Absolutely, Namrata. Shopify's switch to GraphQL, it's a leap forward in efficiency. But it is not just a plug-and-play system. IT leaders need to understand what's coming and how to navigate this shift without chaos. If you're not thinking ahead, you are already behind.
Exactly. Shopify officially marked the REST Admin API as legacy on October 1st, 2024. And here is the kicker. By April 1st, 2025, all new Shopify apps must use GraphQL. Time is ticking.
Yes. And let's be real, that's a tight deadline. GraphQL isn't just about API. It's a completely new pattern of communication. Unlike REST, which often requires multiple endpoint calls to fetch data, GraphQL lets you get exactly what you need in a single query. It's 10 times faster and more powerful.
I agree, Souptik, but let's not sugarcoat it. Transitioning to GraphQL isn't just a switch flip. Organizations need to rebuild integrations from scratch, and they must ensure this doesn't disrupt business operations. Eventually, for quicker development, the expenses goes even higher.
Exactly. But here's the catch. What happens when up and running frameworks need a major overhaul that could take months to develop? In the absence of available resources, a business can't just pause operations while waiting for resolution. IT leaders must plan for continuity, ensuring there's a fallback mechanism or a hybrid approach to keep things running smoothly. This is where Prebuilt solutions step in, bridging the gap, reducing downtime, and keeping operations seamless while you transition.
Coming to the real deal, migrating custom integrations isn't just about writing new queries. Teams may need training, a strategy to minimize downtime, which in real life is not an easier task. One misstep and you could be losing sales and customer trust totally.
Spot on. And this is where pre-built connectors like APPSeCONNECT are a total game changer. Instead of reinventing the wheel, businesses can use ready-to-go process flows designed specifically for retail integrations. Time is money, so why waste either?
I agree, Souptik, totally. Pre-built solutions / deployment time, reduce errors, and bonus, they are thoroughly tested. Why risk breaking things when you can modernize without unnecessary headaches? Plus, they scale effortlessly as your business grows. Future-proofing starts now with pre-built integrations.
And let's talk about costing. Custom integrations, they are expensive. They require huge development investments and ongoing maintenance. Prebuilt connectors, on the other hand, offer a low total cost of ownership because of cost sharing. That means more budget for innovation and less for troubleshooting. Efficiency equals savings.
And not to mention the low-code interface. With platforms like APPSeCONNECT, any API updates of any application is just bread and butter. I hope you agree, Souptik. And with dedicated support team, you are never left hanging. If you hit a snag, why struggle when you can have expert backup all the time?
And security, huge concern, right? A messy migration can open the door to compliance nightmares. Pre-built connectors are built with security in mind, ensuring businesses stay on the top of GDPR and CCPA regulations. No loopholes, no sleepless nights.
And Souptik, here is the bottom line. This isn't just about migrating. This is an opportunity. Businesses that embrace GraphQL the right way will unlock real-time inventory visibility, unified commerce, and seamless scalability. Stay competitive or get forget in this business market.
If you're still thinking about it, your migration plan, now is the time to act. Check out APPSeCONNECT, explore your options, and get ahead in the business because that's exactly where APPSeCONNECT shines.
Exactly. Work smarter, not harder. and position your business for long-term success. If you're waiting for a sign, this is it for you. So that's a wrap for today's episode. Have questions or experiences to share? Drop us a comment or hit us on the social media platforms or send us an email. And don't forget to subscribe for more tech insights. Until next time, stay curious, stay innovative, and keep pushing your boundaries.